Here's your boy Crypto Blood. Welcome to another episode of My Two Satoshis. It is February 14th, and we are rocking out to some Mob Deep. I had two of my subs, V Massive, and a follower on Twitter, Brad, on Bitcoin, requested Mob Deep. And I got two of them rolling right now for you guys, so you'll hear the give it up for the goods. And I also got in here, man, for Brad. He didn't tell me which one, but I decided to play Quiet Storm, so you'll hear Quiet Storm rocking out in the background as well. Hope you guys are doing well this morning. I'm just getting started. I got my coffee, my cigar is almost done from yesterday. I got another one on deck, ready to roll. And I got my C60. And I got my water too. So we're ready to roll, people. Hope you guys are doing well. The markets are looking up, green. And I'll go through the technicals on that right now, actually. So market cap is currently at 452 billion. Bitcoin's dominance is right around where it was yesterday, 34.8%. I think it was at 34.5% yesterday. So as you can see, a sea of green. Things are looking up this morning. And again, you guys know from a technical standpoint where I need to see a break above. And that is the 9400 area on Bitstamp. So very close. So let's see what happens here. Are we going to hit some resistance? It definitely is a area that I believe the market is watching, and I told you guys why yesterday. So if we can get a break above this red line, the next target, if we break above this, it's going to accelerate pretty fastly to the 10,200 area. So, but if we don't, we may have to. I don't think we're, we'll, if we don't get past 9,400, we may make a slight retracement as the blue line kind of shows, and gain some more momentum and then try it again. But that's the area we need to watch, people. So again, we are talking taxes. An article out of Zerohedge. Credit to, I can't even remember who dropped it in the Webbot crypto chat room, but I picked it up and pinned it in my own thread. You can save messages, so I saved it in there, and I'm like, yeah, we need to talk about this. So essentially, let's get back over to that view. Zerohedge says here, virtually nobody is reporting crypto profits to the IRS. So it says here, despite the IRS victory late last year in a lawsuit against Coinbase, the most popular cryptocurrency exchange in the US, that forced the organization to hand over transaction data pertaining to more than 14,000 users, surprisingly few Americans are reporting income from cryptocurrencies trading as income this tax season. That's even more surprising considering the astronomical gains realized not just by Bitcoin, but by dozens of coins. So true, so true. So it says here, fewer than 100 people out of 250,000 people. Did I read that right? Fewer than 100 people out of 250,000 who have already filed federal taxes this year through Credit Karma reported a cryptocurrency transaction, Reuters reported Tuesday. It says here, this despite nearly 57% of the 2,000 Americans surveyed by the credit score startup and research firm Qualtrics last month, saying they had realized some gains from cryptocurrencies last year. According to a Credit Karma study, about the same percentage of respondents said they had never reported a crypto transaction to the IRS. Meanwhile, about half said that understood have said they understood how cryptocurrency gains might impact their taxes. As Reuters explains, the IRS considers cryptocurrencies to be a property for federal tax purposes, meaning any profits or losses from the sale or exchange of the virtual currency coins must be reported as capital gains or losses. Still, it remains unclear exactly how many Americans hold cryptocurrencies, which were initially designed to protect the identities of their holders and can be difficult for federal authorities to trace. Coinbase famously surpassed retail brokerage Charles Schwab in terms of number of accounts last year, but it is unclear how many of those accounts are actively trading. It goes on to say here, here's a quote from Chawala, and Chawala is basically a general manager over at Credit Karma Tax. He says here, however, given the popularity of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in 2017, we'd expect more people to be reporting. That, or even simpler, most of those reporting cryptocurrency profits for public survey purposes are lying. Around 1 million people filed their taxes with Credit Karma Tax last year, the company said. The IRS expects 156 million individuals to file taxes this year. As we expected last year, last paragraph here says, because every cryptocurrency transaction exists on a public blockchain ledger, an enterprising organization, say like NSA or IRS, could conceivably implement blockchain analysis tools to track down Bitcoin fund transfers around the globe. Moreover, most exchanges now require a driver's license, passport, and even a phone number in order to approve your account for trading. So, man, what do you guys think? Let's see what some of these comments on Zerohedge. These are normally hilarious. Natronic says, lots of us just got in and haven't cashed out yet, and no, I'm not reporting a taxable event on crypto to crypto trades, only when I cash out. So it seems like a lot of people probably have that philosophy, like they're not going to go through the hassle of trying to keep track of crypto transactions from crypto to crypto, only when they go to fiat. So what are you guys' thoughts on that? Are you actively and aggressively trying to gather or record keep for crypto to crypto trades, or are you just going to say, hey, IRS, this is what fiat I put in to crypto, this is what fiat I brought out? Let me know what you guys think about that. It definitely is a daunting task to get everything together. There are some tools for you to use out there if you so choose to report actively, or not actively, but accurately crypto to crypto trades. I'll leave a link to that in the description of this video. That's pretty much it for today, ladies and gents. It's your boy Crypto Blood, and I am out. Holla.
Stay out of my way. Type hard trying to survive in New York State, but can't stop till I'm eating off a platinum plate.